Hi. So you would have received access over to this email, or if the email is different, you're going to have that updated below this SOP to our Stripe account. Now, needless to say, this is strictly confidential information that no one else besides you at the company is allowed to know. So if you need to share this information with somebody else, you need to ask permission from your supervisor first. I cannot stress this enough. It's incredibly important. Now, what this task is about is you're going to have to, once per month, on the first of the month, you're going to need to come to the invoice section over here, and you're going to need to download all of the invoices that are for the given month. So, for example, imagine today is the 1st of August. So we need you to download all of the invoices that were generated in July. So that means all of these invoices over here. Now, once you download them, you don't just want to download a PDF because that's going to download a receipt. What we actually need is an invoice. So you actually need to click through to the actual invoice and then click download PDF. That is then going to generate an invoice. And that invoice, see, it's going to download the invoice. Now you're going to be able to attach that invoice to any to similar to the expenses in the income folder. You're going to find the correct year, and then you're going to find the correct month. In this case, it would be July. You would simply navigate to the invoice, and then you would drag and drop it in the correct month. You only do this once a month on the first of the month for the previous month. Now, something important to note here is that there are going to be invoices that you will see. Sometimes it's going to say void. It's very important for us that whenever there is a void invoice, you put that in the name of the invoice, like so, with capital letters, right? So that we know that this is a void invoice, so that we can take care of it once we take these documents to accounting. If it says late, sometimes it's going to say payment late rather than paid. It's going to be in red. We also want to make sure that we know that as well. If it says paid, you don't need to do anything additional. That's it for this module. I'll catch you in the next one.